Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the blending modes in Photoshop. Let's get started. Your blending modes are located in your layer section right here. Let's go through all the blending modes and I'll explain to you what each one does. As you can see, here I have my main picture. Here I have my second picture. Now you'll see how changing the blending modes makes these two pictures interact in different ways. First, we have normal modes. These don't blend much. They replace pixels. Normal is the default one. This one has no blending. The top layer covers the one beneath it. Dissolve. This randomly replaces some pixels with transparency for a noisy speckled effect. This is only visible if one layer has partial transparency. Then we have the darken blending modes. These modes make the result look darker. Darken. This compares each pixel and keeps the darker one. Multiply. This multiplies the pixel values and gives a darker result. This is great for shadows, shading, or darkening textures. Then we have color burn. This intensifies contrast by burning in the base color, and this is great for gritty or moody effects. Then we have linear burn. This darkens with higher contrast than multiply, retains more shadow detail. Then we have darker color. This compares the RGB channels and keeps the darkest composite pixels of the two pictures. Then we have the lighten modes. These make things look brighter. Lighten. This keeps the lighter pixel from either layer. Screen. This brightens by inverting, multiplying, and inverting again. This is great for light flares, glows, and soft lighting. Then we have color dodge. This brightens and boosts contrast, makes highlights pop. Linear dodge add. This adds brightness directly, stronger than screen. Lighter color. This compares and keeps the lighter composite pixel of the two pictures. Then we have contrast modes. This increase contrast by combining lighten and darken. Overlay combines multiply and screen. This is great for dynamic contrast and texture overlays. Soft light, a softer version of overlay, subtle and natural. Hard light. This is harsher lighting, like shining a bright spotlight. Vivid light uses color dodge and burn with strong contrast. This is very intense. Linear light adds or subtracts brightness linearly. This can get pretty harsh. Pin light replaces pixels depending on how light or dark they are. This is rarely used because it's very unpredictable. Hard mix looks super intense. This flattens to solid RGB values. This is useful for posterized graphic looks. Then we have inversion modes. We have difference, which subtracts pixel values, creates inverted, funky color effects. Exclusion is similar to difference but softer, looks more like a subtle glow. And here we have subtract and divide. It subtracts pixel values of the top layer from the base layer. And divide divides pixel value of the base layer by the blend layer. And lastly, we have color-based modes. We have hue, which keeps the hue of the top layer but uses brightness and saturation of the bottom layer. Saturation keeps the saturation of the top layer with the base color and brightness. Color keeps hue and saturation of the top layer but base layer's brightness. This is great for color grading or recoloring. And lastly, we have luminosity. Keeps the brightness of the top layer but uses the base hue saturation, opposite of color mode. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.